Hey guys, so for today's video, I thought I would do a more simple kind of video, a more chillax, laid back type of video. I am actually so surprised how many requests I have been getting to do an updated, like how I style my curly hair, like with heat, like with my curling wand, because I have been wearing my hair like that recently, and I actually do it in a couple different ways, and I'll get into it in a second, but I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna sit down and show you guys pretty much what I do to get those curls, so I hope you guys don't mind a more, you know, simple, relaxed kind of video. I'm actually directly in front of my vanity right now. Usually when you see this background, I'm like more off to the side, but I have my curling wand like plugged in right here onto my vanity, so I had to be, not that you guys care, I'm just telling, whatever. Anyway, so basically I have been wearing these curls in two different ways. Either I go full on curl where I kind of curl my entire hair, or I will just curl some pieces of my hair. I won't go and curl every single strand. So it can kind of be a mixture of both, like my natural hair and the curls from the curling wand. Since I have been flat ironing my hair since the 6th grade, I'm not kidding, like the first 2 years of high school, people didn't know I had curly hair because I always wore my hair straight. So because of that, it kind of killed my curls. My hair does not curl like it used to, and so I like using a curling wand like this, so I can take the more straighter strands, like this one for example, and I'll curl it and then I'll leave the other pieces, or like I said, I'll go full on like how I was wearing it in my last video. So anyway, it pretty much depends on what I do the night before. If you have curly hair, you will know this, but people with curly hair they cannot brush their hair. It's not something that we can do throughout the day like people with naturally straight hair, where we just give ourselves a nice little brush and we're good to go. Usually when we brush our hair, it gets really puffy and really frizzy, so I honestly try to avoid brushing my hair whenever it's curly at all costs. Truly, I don't brush my hair. So obviously, because I don't want any knots in my hair, what I do is I will completely detangle my hair right before I jump into the shower to wash it, because if I detangle my hair after I've shampooed and conditioned it, the curls will die. Like the curls won't be there at all. And I'm sure if you have naturally straight hair, you're probably like, what? How is that even a thing? But it is. If you want to get the best out of your curls, do not detangle your hair after you wash it. Detangle it right before you wash it. Trust me. Which is the mistake I made last night. So I washed my hair last night and I completely forgot to detangle it before I got in the shower. So I detangled it right as I got out, and then I just let it air dry, which was my second mistake. I got really lazy last night, and honestly I wasn't gonna film this video until I woke up this morning and I was gonna do my hair, and I was like, I might as well film it. So I got really lazy last night and I didn't try to get the most out of my curls like I usually do. I always use my blow dryer with a diffuser. I'm sure you guys have seen these 1,000 times. These are the little attachments you put on your blow dryer. You just pretty much like, you know, dry your hair like this. And this helps bring out the curls. It makes it less frizzy. It's like, diffusers are great, but I didn't use one last night. So this is what my hair looks like without trying, you know, to bring the curls out. It's like very dead, as you can see. It's like wavy. A lot of the times I will leave my hair like this. I like how my hair looks like this. You know, it's very natch. It's very, it's a little frizzy. I mean, my hair is frizzy. There's nothing I can do about it. But, you know, it's natch. And the only thing I currently have in my hair right now, which is the product I put in last night, is the Briogeo ROSARCO milk. This is just my leave-in conditioner. And I put this throughout my entire hair, and then I just let it air dry, and this is what we've got. Okay, so now this is 100% the time where you should apply your heat protectant spray. I completely ran out of mine because only I would have like one heat protectant spray, and just wait till the very end to buy a new one, and I haven't bought one, so I'm not gonna use a heat protector today. I'm living life on the wild side. I don't recommend it though. I don't recommend it. Do as I say, not as I do. So after my heat protectant goes in my hair, I'll take a little bit of mousse. This is like the mousse I'm currently using right now. It's the Ouidad Vitalcurl Soft Defining Mousse. This one is really nice because it does maintain the moisture in your hair, but it also gives you volume if you're into that. I'm not super crazy about volume, but I like how soft my curls feel like when I use this mousse. It doesn't make my hair crunchy or anything like that. Scrunch my hair up a bit. Kind of bring down some of my frizzies. And I just do that to give my hair a little bit of something. So I'll just take a little clip like this and not get too precise with it. Like I'm telling you, I do this so fast in the morning. It's nothing like ironing my hair. That takes me forever. I just take some of it up, twist it all messy. And then like I said earlier, it honestly depends what I'm feeling. It depends what mood I'm in, or if I'm like in a hurry, if I want to curl my whole head or if I just want to curl certain pieces. Today I'm honestly just gonna curl certain pieces. I'm not gonna sit here and do my whole head. But the curling wand that I swear by and that I use all the time, I get so many questions about which curling wand I use to do my curls. So this is the one I always use whenever I do like my little tight curls. I bought this on Amazon and I'm gonna leave the link down below. But this is from the brand Hairstyler. I've never really heard of this brand, but it's the Baby Curls Mini Curling Iron. It is a tapered curling wand, so it goes from 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch. And depending on how much hair you grab, you can get really nice like Hollywood waves. If you pick up a lot of hair, you can really get that look. Or if you want those super, super tight curls, you can totally do that as well. That's why I love this. It's so versatile. I'm obsessed. And it wasn't even that pricey. It was like 20 bucks. So yeah, I'm just basically gonna breeze through this part. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. There's not much to it. I just wrap my hair around the barrel. Sometimes I do fatter sections. Sometimes I do thinner sections. I kind of like a variety all up in my hair. So I mix it up and I always curl away from my head. But yeah, let's do this. Okay, so I pretty much did end up curling all of my hair because there was just so many pieces that were straight. So I did curl the majority of it, but I did leave some of my natural, you can tell I did leave some of my like natural waves. So after I'm done finger combing my hair and like pulling apart all the curls, making sure it doesn't look too structured or too perfect. Once I do all of this, I do go in with an oil or like a finishing mist, something that's gonna make your hair nice and shiny. And I like doing that because I have dry hair. So I like to add some oil throughout my hair to tame the frizz a bit and to add that shine. Right now I'm currently using the one from Oribe. This is the Gold Lust Nourishing Hair Oil. I was using one from Marula Oil. I believe that's the brand, or Marula is the brand. I bought that oil at Sephora and it's my holy grail. I love it so much, but they discontinued it. They no longer make it. So I'm on the hunt for a good lightweight but super shiny hair oil. And right now I'm just currently using this one and it's really, really, really good, but it's that's expensive. So I mean, if I don't have to pay this price tag, that would be nice. So I just put a little bit in my hands, and then I start to just comb my curls with the oil. Tame the frizz a bit. And then that's it. This is how I heat style my curly hair. Recently, I have been doing this a lot to my hair, and I just like how it makes me feel a little bit like Shakira. A little bit. I can't be Shakira, but it makes me feel a little bit like her. So yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful. I mean, this is probably not the best curling one because this thing does get pretty hot, but it is what it is, and this is what I've been doing. Just make sure you use that heat protectant. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what you guys want to see from me next. Always request what you want down below, constantly. Even if you've asked me like 10 times. If I haven't done it, request it, because I'm constantly writing things down, and I have the memory of a goldfish. So you need to remind me of things multiple times. So yeah, that completes this video. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. I'm gonna link this curling